solve a system of equations. Let's put it right into row echelon form. So it's going to be 1, -3, 4, 3, -1, 12. Previous videos, I've put this into matrix form first, then into row echelon form. The matrix form is just is an intermediate step. So we will just put it right into row echelon form, and we'll just start solving. So the first thing I need to do is make that a 1. Oh, it's already a 1. It's fantastic. So what I really do, just to keep, with the computer syntax, we're going to take row 1 and divide it by 1. Okay, so it's going to be 1, -3, and 4. Nothing changes. The next one here is we want to make this one a 0, right? We want to make this value a 0 right here. So we're going to take row 2 minus 3 row 1. Okay, so row 2, row 1 new. Actually, it doesn't matter because they are the same. But row 2 minus 3 times row 1. So we have 3 minus 3 times 1 will give me 0. That's what we want. So so row 2 minus 3 times row 1 will give me 0. Great. Now we have to do everything else. So now we have -1. Let's write this down, and we'll put it over here. -1 minus 3 times row 1 new, which was equal to -3. So it's going to be -1 plus 9, so it's equal to 8. So 8. This guy here will be row 2, so it's 12 minus 3 times row 1, so it's 4. So that's going to be 0. 0. Okay, moving on. We need to now make this value a 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide it by 8. So we take row 2 and divide it by 8. So we get 0 divided by 8, 0. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Great, that's what I wanted. And 0 divided by 8 is going to be 0. The last thing is we want to make this value now a 0. So what we're going to do here is, this is always the elimination step, is we're going to take row 1 minus -3 times row 2 new. Okay? I could also have row 1 plus 3 times row 2 new. Okay? But this just follows in line more with computer syntax. So we're going to take row 1 is going to be 1 minus -3 times 0. Well, that's going to be 1. Then we have -3 minus -3 times 1. That's going to be 0. That's what I want. And the last one is going to be 4 minus -3 times row 2 new, which is 0. So it's going to be 4 minus 0 is going to be 0. It's going to be 4. Great. We have our identity matrix. If we put it into matrix form, it will look like this, which is our identity matrix. That's what we want to get. And now putting it back into equation form, we will see that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0.